Hey, what's going on, you guys? In this video, I'm going to be talking about a few different work from home jobs that you can get started with in 2019. So let's get into it. Hey, what's going on, you guys? Benjamin here with Motivational Marketer. And in this video, I'm going to be talking about a few different work from home jobs that you can get started with. But before I get into this video, I just want to welcome you guys to my channel. And if this is your first time here and you want to learn different methods when it comes to making money online, then I invite you to subscribe and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Okay, so if you're watching this video, then chances are you're looking for different ways to start earning money because you're probably tired of working at your regular 9-to-5 job. So I'm going to be talking about a few different jobs that you can get started with online. Okay, so the first one that I want to talk about is freelancing. Now, freelancing can consist of a few different job titles. For example, freelancing can be anything where you're going to be providing services and you're going to be getting paid money in exchange for it. So an example of freelancing can be web design, graphic design, video editing, and even transcribing. So these are all good. These are all just a few examples of what freelancing can be. There's a whole laundry list of what you can do for freelancing services. If you guys are looking for a website where you can provide freelancing services to people who are looking for them, then I recommend going to a website called Fiverr, or also there's another one called Upwork. These are basically websites where you sign up as a freelancer, you list the services that you're providing, and then whenever somebody contacts you for your service, you provide it and then you get paid. It's pretty straightforward. So if you know how to do any of these, if you have any of these skills and you know how to provide them, then freelancing would be a good option for you to go with. And if you guys don't know how to do any of this, I would recommend just taking the time, investing into a course that's going to show you how to do a skill like this, because you can use that skill to earn money for the rest of your life. Now, the next method that you can use to earn money is by writing articles. Now, this would also fall under the freelancing category, but there's a website where you can specifically write articles for people and different companies, and that website is called textbroker.com. Now, this website is only available to people who are U.S. citizens at the time of recording this video. Maybe later on down the line, it might be available to other people in different countries. But as of right now, if you're a U.S. citizen, then you can take advantage of this website if you're passionate about writing articles. Now, the way this website works is that they pay you based off of your writing skill. So the better that you are when it comes to writing, the more that you're going to get paid per word. And if you guys are interested in how it works, you can just go to textbroker.com. And it's going to basically lay it all out on how they pay you and what they require from you in order to get started. Now, these methods that I'm talking about right here are going to be what's known as an active income method, meaning that you're going to be trading your time in order to get paid. All of these require your time in order to get paid, but I want to talk about a couple other ones using a passive income method. Now, if you're not aware what a passive income method is, it's basically where you create a product one time and then you can earn a residual income from that product over and over again. Now, to give you a perfect example of what a passive income method is, an online course is going to be one of them. So, if you have a particular skill, or if you're knowledgeable in an area and you know people would be willing to pay money to have that knowledge or learn that skill, then you can earn a passive income by selling an online course. Let's say that you're creating a course where you're showing somebody how to fly a drone, for example. And you're charging maybe $100 to show somebody the basics on how to fly a drone, how to land a drone, how to take good pictures while they're flying a drone. And if you get 10 people to enroll into your course in a month, what's that? That's $1,000 that you made off of one course that you created one time. So this is a great way to earn a passive income. Now, if you're wondering where you can create an online course, or you can host an online course, I should say, a great website is called Teachable. if you don't have your own website where you can host your online course, a great alternative is with the website called Teachable. The way you sign up is you just go to Teachable, you sign up to become a teacher, and then you upload your course onto their platform, and then you get people to enroll into your course. So it's pretty simple. Now, another way that you can work from home using a passive income method is by dropshipping. Now, if you guys aren't aware of what dropshipping is, it's basically where you find a product that is in demand and it's profitable online, and then you find a supplier for that product, and then you just simply post an ad online for that product. It can be an ad that you post on Facebook, on YouTube, Instagram, and then you have people redirected to your own website. And whenever somebody buys that product off of your website, you just have it ordered from your supplier and have it shipped directly to the customer. Now, a lot of people who get started with dropshipping, they create a website through Shopify. Now, the reason why is because Shopify is very user-friendly and it's very easy to understand. People who get suppliers for products that they're selling usually get them from online Chinese wholesale websites. So you have to do the research and find out what product is profitable and also in demand, and contact a supplier who can deliver that product. Now, this is a great way to get started because there's very little to no startup cost. But there are some cons and pros when it comes to getting started with this method. For example, you have to worry about people who return the items, you have to fulfill every order that comes in, and you have to ensure the quality of the product that you're selling is decent or good. So I just want you guys to keep that in mind if you're thinking about going with dropshipping. So the last method that I want to talk about that you can use to start working from home with the passive income method is through affiliate marketing. Now, this is my personal favorite method because you don't have to have your own product to sell in order to get started when it comes to making money online. And if you're unfamiliar with what affiliate marketing is, it's basically where you're promoting somebody else's product online through a link that's coded to you. So whenever somebody clicks on your link and they purchase the product that you're promoting, then you earn a commission. Now, there's a wide variety of different products that you can promote as an affiliate. If you're not familiar with any of these programs, the most popular one would be Amazon Associates. So basically anything that you see on Amazon, when you're an associate, you can promote as an affiliate. Now, the downside of using Amazon is that the commissions are pretty low. They can be anywhere between 2 to 6% of whatever the product costs. But people who are serious about affiliate marketing and they're really trying to earn a full-time income, they usually go with a website called ClickBank. Now, both of these programs are free, Amazon Associates and also ClickBank. But ClickBank pays a lot more money when it comes to their commissions. It depends on the product that you're promoting. Usually the commissions that they pay out with ClickBank is around 40%. Now, the concept of affiliate marketing is pretty straightforward. You're getting paid for referring people that buy a product that you're promoting. But there's a lot of technicalities and dynamics that go into affiliate marketing if you're trying to earn a full-time income. And if you guys are interested in learning more about affiliate marketing, I'm going to leave a link for a free ebook download down in the description if you guys want to check it out. And this ebook basically covers the winning formula when it comes to earning a full-time income with affiliate marketing. And if you guys are interested in my personal recommendation when it comes to earning a full-time income online, then you can check out the link in the top of the description. Well, that's basically it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully you guys learned something new. And if you got some kind of value out of it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And let me know down in the comments below what you guys thought about this video. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.